channel Science Experiments by Athuhridu. Today we are going to check the experiment candle image multiplier. The materials we usually need for the experiments are paper, pencil, candle, scale, mirror and a book, and we already set it. What is the first step? We need you draw lines with angles as many as you want. Okay. So now we have drawn this drawing and I have drawn these lines and they are in different directions in different angle. What is the next step? So the next step is we need to put the book in 120 angle. The result, we are going to turn off the lights. So we have set it and blown up the candle. We have set the mirrors in 120 degrees and we can see 3 candle images. So now we are going to reduce the angles and then see what happens. So now we have reduced the angles of the mirror. Now still we can see 3 candles image. So now we have reduced the angle and it is showing at least 5 images of candles. Now we will reduce it further. If you like this channel and enjoy our videos, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Bye guys. Bye. Bye guys.